Epic changes to business texting regulations A2P 10 DLC. What you need to know about A2P 10 DLC. If you use texting in your business, it's important that you know about the new texting regulations. This is an overview of A2P 10 DLC. This is provided by Redtie, your business messaging gateway. There are two types of texting, P2P and A2P. P2P is person to person. It's when you send text messages from your personal cell phone. And A2P is application to person. It's when a business uses a third-party SMS service, like Redtie. Message screening. Cell carriers monitor both P2P and A2P traffic for the number of messages sent, message content, and screen for phishing, spoofing, and spam. And SMS messages with links are more susceptible to message screening. A2P 10 DLC application process. Under the new regulation, A2P customers must register with their cell carrier. SMS service providers like Redtie can guide you through the A2P 10 DLC registration process. When registered, you receive a trust score. It's a number between 0 to 100. And is based on your business type and the types of messages you will be sending. If you receive a high score, it's less likely that your messages will be scrutinized and the delivery speed will be high. Opt-in, opt-out. A2P 10 DLC requires that all customers opt in and have a simple way to opt out. Opt-in requires the message receiver agree to receive SMS messages before you send them. Cell carriers can't verify that the customer has opted in, but if they receive complaints, your service can be terminated and/or face strict fines. Fines. Cell carriers will block SMS messages if they detect a scam, fraud, or inappropriate content. Fines up to $10,000 per message can be levied if it contains shaft content, which is language related to sex, hate, alcohol, firearms, or tobacco. If you're using P2P messaging and are experiencing message delivery delays and dropped messages, it's because of message screening by your carrier. Who is mandated to use A2P 10 DLC? A2P 10 DLC is mandated for businesses who send over 3,000 messages each day. It's also mandated for any business who uses more than 5 long code phone numbers. And political campaigns are mandated to use an A2P 10 DLC service like Redtie. Businesses who use an A2P 10 DLC service will become a trusted source with the carrier and receive higher message delivery speeds. Benefits of A2P 10 DLC. A2P 10 DLC provides a reliable, stable, and secure solution to reach customers while reducing unsolicited messages. It adds a layer of security where carriers can more accurately stop scam messages. With A2P 10 DLC, businesses are a trusted source, receive higher throughput and fewer dropped messages. Before A2P 10 DLC, unregistered numbers resulted in strict filtering, limited messaging volume, as low as 1 SMS per second, and dropped messages. The benefits of A2P 10 DLC far outweigh the time it takes to go through the registration process.
Hi, it's Steve with Redtie. Thanks for watching. Go to www.getredtie.com to read our A2P 10 DLC best practices.
Subscribe so you don't miss other updates and changes to A2P 10 DLC.